Zero larceny warning.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Cowley County until 10:15 p.m.
My bad.
At 6:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh, shit.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. You can expect life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Star. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arkansas City and Maple City.
Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Cowley.
I'm by my room. It's a little messy, but that's fine. I can literally see it out my window. Storm isn't hitting us, but it's off to our south. It's actually completely sunny here. That's kind of surprising. It's possible there may be more warnings eventually. We are not expecting an EAS completion anytime soon still. And bye.